fucking blurry. Nice and clean. Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liakoras Moments and today I'm gonna show you how you can fix the drifting problem that you have on your Xbox controller. This is a very common problem not only with Xbox controllers. I remember I had it also in my PlayStation ones back then and it was very annoying. So before throwing away a controller or trying to open it so you can fix it and at the end damage it more, I think it's worth trying the one I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so here we have the Xbox Series XS controller. This specific one doesn't have any issue, but many of you messaged me asking me about that problem, so here we go with the video. Drifting can affect one or both of the analog sticks, and you'll see in your game that your character or your car or whatever game you're playing, it's actually moving left or right, depends on the side of the problem, without you pressing anything, and that's horrible. If you haven't dropped your controller and caused any damage, then it could be that there is some dirt there between the analog buttons that may stack and bother it. Alright, so the first thing you can do without even using any equipment is to just blow there really good to clean it from any dust or other dirt that may stack between the analogs, and also move the analogs in every direction and try to click them. If that didn't work, you can try with air duster. Air duster blows compressed air really strong and it may be more effective. Just make sure to spray all around the analogs inside there really good and it will remove any dirt or dust. Next good option to clean your analogs is to use Q-tips or cotton swabs, how you call them. So ask for some alcohol from your mom and soak the Q-tip with plenty of alcohol and clean the analogs with it. You'll need to clean the analog here very good in every direction all around, so you can move even the analogs left, right, up and down and clean there between. And don't worry if the alcohol goes inside, as it will evaporate very fast. Even let the alcohol seep good inside to remove any dust. So do it good for both analogs and after start moving the analogs all around and play with them, even start clicking them. I would say just repeat it one more time to be sure, so clean it one more time with Q-tips and alcohol and let it dry. And alright guys, I hope, finger crossed, this video actually helped you to solve your drifting issue here on your controller. Maybe it's gonna be good for if you're playing like drifting games, otherwise you don't need it, right? So if it helped you, write down in the comment section below. If not, also write it down in the comment section below and press the dislike button here, what you can do. Or if you know for another method how to fix this drifting issue, you can also add it in the comment section below so we can all see it. That's for today guys, and we're gonna see you in the next one.